Ladies and gentlemen, welcome! Today we are absolutely thrilled to bring you an incredible compilation of breathtaking moments. Get ready to indulge in your favorite snacks, lean back, and prepare to be utterly mesmerized as we take you on an extraordinary adventure through a series of mind-blowing videos. The mighty storm, nearly wiping away every trace of humanity, is truly terrifying. The devastating flood has taken away everything that the people have worked hard to accumulate over the years. The fierce wind accompanying the storm sends chills down everyone's spine, instilling a sense of fear and panic. In the face of the devastating destruction caused by the tornado, the power of humanity seems incredibly small and insignificant. A horrifying flood disaster struck, causing widespread devastation. The mighty Mount Everest triggered an avalanche, with a torrent of snow and ice hurtling down towards the base camp, creating a scene of sheer terror and chaos. A colossal ice mass, aged hundreds of years, is slowly melting away and collapsing, unleashing a breathtaking spectacle of cascading ice and chaos. A catastrophic flood struck, leaving humanity in a state of sheer horror and disbelief. A sense of dread and horror engulfed me as I witnessed this scene. Looking at the scene, you can already guess the strength of the wind, capable of effortlessly ripping roofs off houses. The heavy rocks tumbling down below are truly terrifying. Could this be an impending volcanic eruption, with thick black columns of smoke rising ominously? After witnessing these scenes, do you pause to contemplate the impact of human beings on the environment? When you encounter a massive tornado like this, it's best to run as fast as you can because you can never fully anticipate the dangers awaiting you. The raging floodwaters are alarmingly dangerous, reaching a critical level. Beyond the beauty you see now, this is a true natural disaster in every sense. Indeed, we cannot deny its beauty, but we must never underestimate the dangerous power of these lightning strikes. For someone afraid of waves, like myself, this is truly a horrifying sight. The sight of a dam releasing a torrential flood. What do you think? Leave your comments below. With the intensity of this hailstorm, I strongly encourage everyone to stay indoors and prioritize safety. A mountain undergoing intense landslides, with large boulders continuously falling. This beach is flooded with a layer of sea foam. Almost unbelievable.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Take a closer look. A lightning bolt has just flashed as this volcano erupts. It's truly terrifying.
Which is probably less than.
Have you ever seen a sky completely red like this?
Visibility this way, geez, I don't know, 50.
Surely you can guess that this is a sandstorm. The truck plunging into a sinkhole while driving on the road. I guess there must be an underground pipeline. What do you think? Millions of cubic meters of water flowing through the city. Everything has frozen after the horrifying snowstorm. An avalanche cascading down from the high mountains. In the realm of extreme weather, when rainfall becomes excessive, it can unleash devastating landslides that possess a lethal threat to human lives. This is also one of the perilous threats to human beings. Continuing on is a horrific hailstorm. This is a scene that magnifies the danger. I can hardly make out the scene after this snowstorm is past. The scene is truly breathtaking and filled with danger. The crackling sound and dazzling display of lightning bolts across the night sky never fail to leave me in awe. Nature's fireworks at their most electrifying. It's terrifying when we have to confront such relentless forces of nature. Continuing on is a historic flood disaster. With the ferocious speed of this wind, I'm certain we could easily be swept away as soon as we step outside. The colossal mountain collapsing leaves the onlookers astonished and terrified. The sandstorm has engulfed an entire town. These are the initial steps of a catastrophe. A phenomenally frightening natural anomaly. Now, you are witnessing firsthand the formation of a tornado.
Right in front of us. Might need to back up. Back up.
Thank you for taking the time to enjoy this video showcasing incredible moments in nature. If you enjoyed the images and experiences, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on similar videos in the future. Let's embark on a journey together to explore and learn more about our planet through these amazing nature videos. Thank you for your support and subscribing to our channel.